today we're going to try a new tool, Flexclip's AI logo animation tool. The Flexclip link is in the description and we're going to animate a logo right now. There are tons of templates available for animating our logo. We'll try animating our logo. We can use a template, so we need to choose something we like. For example, this one is a bit futuristic. This one has a construction feel. So we need to look at all the templates to find the one you like. There are tons and tons of different animation templates. We could spend a lot of time looking at them. And I'm going to choose one where the colors match what I want to do. I want an animation that subtly transforms the logo into blue, not just show it. There are lots of beautiful animations available in the Flexclip library. I want it to be in landscape format. There's a little bit of that, and then you need to use it at the end, for example, of your videos to make an outro or an intro. There you go, very easily. So it generates a short video quickly. There you go. For example, I like this one. Choose the 16.9 format, the same sound that goes with it, and let's go. So here, of course, you need to add your logo. So here I'm going to add my logo, then my logo from my website, and with a Windows shortcut for social networks, and it generates. It costs 66 credits. We can see the template we chose again. So this is the template I chose, which looks a bit techy. It has colors, it moves well, it's pretty, and we generate it. The generation is simple, just a few seconds since it's a short video, so it's going to be quite fast. So first, Flexclip prepares the cutouts according to the logo we uploaded. And while he's doing that, we can check out the different animations we have. This one's a bit more social media oriented. This one's the falling bottle of water that shows the logo with stacks of soap. Here's one that incorporates the 4 elements into our logo. So there are really tons of different logos and different animations for the logo. This one's a bit more classy, maybe more for real estate. So there's really everything in terms of templates, and they add them regularly. You can also add me to your favorites if you click the little button. It generates sound. It's really a complete tool, the logo animation tool, thanks to Flexclip's artificial intelligence. Oh, the page hadn't loaded actually. There were even more. My internet connection isn't exactly super fast. Oh my, there are even more templates than I imagined. Wow, there are hundreds. I thought there were just a few dozen, but no, there are hundreds. There are hundreds of logo animations. So this one might be for those who are more nature-oriented. There's really everything, futuristic, even industrial, really everything. Oh my, it's time. I think I said that, and I think I'm waiting for it to finish, or maybe it hasn't loaded yet because of the internet connection. You really have hundreds of templates of all kinds, whatever your industry, to animate your logo. There you go. So it takes a few minutes to generate this little animation, which will be a video, and it only costs 60 credits. So you have to add credits, of course, if you don't have any in your account to be able to use everything. And there you have it, hundreds of templates. Most of them last a few seconds. There's one here, for example, that lasts 10 seconds. Generally, the animations for the temples last between 5 and 10 seconds. The one I chose, if I scroll all the way to the top, is 5 seconds long. So we should have a short 5-second animation based on the logo I provided. If I want to use it in our videos, anywhere, put it on our website, add it to our edits, well, we can really do anything with it, and it only takes a few minutes. And there you have it. The logo animation is ready. The sound has been generated, so I'll put this at the end, along with our website. I might not even need to include the logo animation with the website. We'll see. It's magnificent. It's magnificent. And there you have it, an animation of the temple made in just a few minutes, and it's magnificent. The link is in the description, and the generated video is at the end of this page.